DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, man. Y'all see what we did with him. Yo, man, I just want to say, yo, that Mafia, Stray Kids gang, man, I just want to say shout out to y'all, man. Y'all showed out for the last video. Y'all went crazy. Y'all been commenting. Y'all been liking. Y'all been showing mad love, you feel me? I'm gonna put up some other comments on the screen. I'm gonna put some more comments on the screen, man. Y'all been going crazy. It's been lit, man. Y'all been engaging, asking questions, you know, giving me information on the group. Let me know where they're from. You know what I'm saying? Let me know they're a K-pop group. They're from Korea. And all the type of stuff. Y'all been dropping gems on me, man, in the comment section. Y'all been really going in, man. The Stray Kids army is strong, man. Shout out to y'all. And a lot of y'all show mad love, man, and say y'all, you know, you're subbing for more reaction from Stray Kids and y'all want to see more and go down that rabbit hole with me. I actually want to read one of the comments from y'all. This is from Nicole Alexandra and Phyllis Brown. It says, I really recommend their entire discography. They are self-produced, but start with God's Menu, Thunderous, Maniac, Easy, and Backdoor. So we're gonna check it out. And then Phyllis Brown followed up and said, beware, the discography is over 170 songs strong, even more unreleased, and they are having another album released in November. So we're gonna be looking forward to that, gang. And once you go down this rabbit hole, there's no going back. Sub to watch your journey. So shout out to y'all. Shout out to Nicole Alexandra and Phyllis Brown. I appreciate you guys subbing, you know, to follow my journey in discovering Stray Kids. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna go down this rabbit hole and check out more songs from them. They said they got 170 songs plus unreleased, and they're dropping an album in November. Which, tell me if you guys want to BTS. Yeah, what I said BTS. Tell me if you guys want a Stray Kids album reaction when it launch. Let me know. I'll definitely get it done for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, man. But yeah, man, that's crazy. So yeah, 170 songs plus they dropping a new album, and they got unreleased songs and all that good stuff, man. Hey, we're here for it, gang. You know what I'm saying? As long as y'all keep showing support, showing love, and wanting these videos, I'm definitely gonna keep doing them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, it's fun reacting something that's in a different language and just seeing how they do stuff in their culture and all that good stuff, man. It's just crazy. You know what I'm saying? The videos look like it's a movie they're in, all that good stuff, and they got chance. Yeah, I'm definitely want to go down this rabbit hole. I want to check out some more stuff from them to see if I really, you know, I'm like them or not. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check out a couple more songs, and if we do, we're gonna continue down this rabbit hole. And if you guys like it and want it, I'm definitely gonna get it done. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. We're gonna go all with the vibes, guys. We're gonna check out Stray Kids, man. I appreciate y'all for the love and support. This is Stray Kids. This one is God's Menu. This is what Phyllis Brown and Nicole Alexandra recommended I start with first. You know what I'm saying? And so we're gonna check it out. Let's get it, man. Stray Kids, God's Menu. Okay. First, this one kind of hits right away. You know what I'm saying? Like no intro type stuff, no little build up. This one hits right away. That's what I noticed. But like I was saying, bro, all their videos look like, you know, it's a movie. Look, all this people in there, that's top level production, bro. That's cost, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Okay, keep on making. You say you got the sauce. I heard like you say you got the sauce and you gonna serve people, so you want to serve everyone. Is that what he said, gang? Yeah, I'm just getting They said they're the oddest menu that will never cool off. What? God's menu, bro. What's going on? Let's go. Is that Jabberwockies all of them? This is our tang. What is tang, guys? Let me know in the comment section. What is tang? He said this is our tang. Do. What is that? What is tang, guy? You feel me? Turn on the fire. Okay. So yeah, they said they're cooking up on the grill, cooking up new music, and they're gonna serve you up. You know what I'm saying? So they got a sauce, they got a style, they can make different. They can make different music, different flavors, different recipes. So they say they're cooking up and they want to serve you God's menu. That's crazy. God's menu. That means that are they talking about their whole discography and the music that they give it is like a God? Hey, that's crazy. All right. Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. illusion. 처음 느꼈지 이런 감정 놀랄 거야 gonna shock. 바로 감정. So yo, I'm cooking up like a 5-star chef. You know, see me cooking. You talking about the lyrics and the music. You know what I'm saying? I'm serving it up. I can see through illusions. That's crazy. Man said this is the idea bank, nigga. Empty your head. That's crazy. Alright, that's crazy. Alright. It's an idea bank. Like an idea can get your money. So you need to empty out there, like take the ideas out, turn them money. Is that what he's saying? You just keep on making new things. Because we're one of a kind. 누구도 따라할 수 없는 their own game. 시작부터 다 우리 거. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what these man is saying, bro, in their style. You see what I'm saying? The man said we keep cooking up new stuff because we're just different. You know what I'm saying? And that's why they can't copy our style, bro. I knew in the beginning he said something about sauce. Like, man say, yo, I got the sauce, got the style, got the wheel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's what they're saying, man. God's menu. They're serving up something where they can't, like, recreate type stuff, bro. Okay, all right. But why? Their video is really high production, man. Never cool off. Those flavors on you. You know, man. Don't mind the other. The man said put everything in the pan. Don't mind others. Put more. Just keep trying. Everyone put the. They different, bro. They cool. You know what I'm saying? There's some cool dudes, bro. All right. And I like the message. They're talking a whole different language, saying all this, and then when you read the lyrics, you're like, damn, that's what they're actually saying. And it's actually got a cool concept and a cool, like, you know what I'm saying? It got a cool concept. It got like a cool little vibe. Yeah, it's dope. Got like a whole theme to the music. Tang. What is tang? What is tang? This is our style. This is our flavor. This is our. What is tang, guys? We'll satisfy all 5 senses. Even passing travelers, pigeons, magpies. I said anything on the menu will satisfy all 5 senses, bro. You know what I'm saying? They're crazy with it. I like what they're saying, though. You feel me? I don't know. Why is it? Like, was a rapper saying this like an American, like, you know, black, white, whatever? It wouldn't sound like saying like what you're saying. It wouldn't sound as cool. It wouldn't sound as dope. It was like, the men, you know, we got a menu that gonna satisfy all your senses. You know, we got the flavors, we got the style. Niggas be looking like, but that's dope though. I like this style, bro. I like the message they send and what they stand for. They all about, like, from what I'm getting so far, all about be yourself, be unique. You see me? Because being you is like the greatest contribution. Like, for instance, they're talking about the style and flavors. You see me, they bring different flavors. They keep cooking up new stuff because they're them and they're no one else. You see me, and nobody can copy them because of it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, they got a really positive message in their music, and you can feel it in the beat, the energy. You see me, they got a really like positive message and stuff. So shout out to Stray Kids, man. Y'all are mad dope. Man, I need to get to know the Stray Kids a little bit more, like get to know their names and stuff, and what are their names, bro? Where are they from? How they came together as a group, gang? Let me know in the comment section. Is there anything else, anything out there I can check out to get to know them a little bit better? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know their names, where they're from, how they came to link up and started all that good stuff, man. Let's start out, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comment section if there's any videos that I can check out. I'll definitely give you a shout out, all that good stuff, man. But real dope track. Shout out to Stray Kids, man. Real fun video, real fun track, real positive, real high energy. We like it, man. Shout out to them, man. I don't know, guys. If you like it, go show it out to some love and support. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think, guys. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You feel me? Yeah. I'm invested right now. You know what I'm saying? I want to go down this rabbit hole even further. You know what I'm saying? I want to get to know them a little more. There's a little more of the music. So, guys, send me videos to react to. You know, send me requests. All that good stuff, gang. If you like it, show the artist some love and support. You don't know it's about Jambisco. I was here now. Banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys. And I'm out.